Hello, welcome to see our Soya video. Our topic today is AR727CMIO interlinkage of fire alarm. Here is the diagram. Please notice the blue circle connection here, and also the fire alarm output connection. Here is the instruction. Through 727CMIO serial to Ethernet device server connection. First, choose the IDO of 727CMIO to detect. Second, when the IDO has been short-circuited, send the open door command to the pre-indicated node number of controller. Third, when controller receives the command of open door, the door would be unlocked immediately to enable the evacuation. The final, until the fire alarm is all clear, the IDO would resume to the original status and stop the command of open door, and the door would be closed again. Here, we are going to show you the instruction how to set the 727CMIO on the web. Here we click the IP address of my 727CM is this one, and if you did not set, the default IP address would be this one. Okay. And here we click channel 1 setting, and you see the verification requirement. So we clear admin for account, and the password is empty, so we click login. And here, the first step, we will need to choose this one to enable. The fire alarm DIO open doors should enable it, and we choose the just pause for the door open mode. And then we need to decide which controller should have the function of interlinkage of fire alarm. For example, if only one door, then you could enter the node number of that controller, like 1. And if you have 2 doors that you want to have this function, then you could enter another node ID. And if you want all the door has the function, then you will click 255 and then click update at the final. When you see the form input accepted, it means you have finished the setting. And please remember, if you want to have the interlinkage of fire alarm function of AR727CMIO, the firmware must be this one or even above. Thank you for listening today.